Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 4824 Lakewood Drive in Williamson.
This is a spectacular architect-designed Lake Ontario view dream home.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is luxurious open living with high-end finishes everywhere you look. Featuring a designer white and bright kitchen with soft close cabinetry and custom cabinetry lighting, high-end appliances including a French Le Cornu oven, a farmhouse apron sink, and an expansive center island breakfast bar with Calcata Borini gold leathered countertops. Open to the dining area with a gas fireplace with a cast stone mantel by Omega and a 2-story ceiling. An expansive living area with scenic lake views and porch access, all with maple hardwood floors and 9-foot ceilings, plus a walk-in pantry and laundry. Relax and unwind in this gorgeous first-floor primary suite. It's like waking up overlooking the lake, featuring those beautiful maple hardwood floors, porch access, and a stunning bathroom with a walk-in closet, dual vanities, a clawfoot tub, and a tiled shower.
The excitement continues upstairs with this spacious landing providing access to the outstanding balcony and 2 guest bedroom suites featuring walk-in closets, beautiful bathrooms, and spacious bedrooms with the all-glass double doors and panoramic lake views. This architect design showcase is worthy of being in Architectural Digest. The exceptional quality and craftsmanship is evident in the details. Of course, the hallmark of this home features the impressive open porch and balcony with the all-glass double doors in almost every room. The views are spectacular.
Enjoy the lake breeze and those warm summer days. From the expansive covered deck, overlooking the paver patio, fire pit, and over 1-acre sprawling yard with orchards in the distance. Enjoy the lake lifestyle in this upscale waterfront community. With 2 deeded lake access areas at either end of the street, perfect for taking a dip or launching your kayak.
Nearby this property is the charming hamlet of Ponyville in Lake Ontario, with easy access to Rochester and the entire western New York region. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4824 Lakewood Drive in Williamson.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.